Keep watching to see how to make this elegant wreath Christmas card with bow detail. Here are all of the supplies that you need to make this card. All of the specific items that I used will be linked in the description box below. The first step is to take your pencil and draw out the design. I essentially just drew these kind of squiggly shapes randomly to create the wreath. Then once you have all the shapes drawn out in pencil, all you need to do is take your green colored pen and go in and fill them in. For this card, I decided to use 3 different colors of green, so I just alternated them around the wreath, making sure that 2 colors were not adjacent to each other. An easy way to customize this card would be to simply change the green that you use, or perhaps only use one color green. The next step is to make the bow detail for this card. So take your piece of ribbon. I had this nice rope ribbon laying around, so I used that, and tie it into a bow. Then place your bow at the top of the wreath that you've just drawn and colored in. And once you're happy with the positioning and the size, use a bit of glue and glue it on. I find that a fast drying glue works really well for this. And I put glue in the middle of the bow, and then I also glued on kind of each of the 2 loops just to make it a little bit more secure, and also the 2 ends to position them how I liked. And once you've completed this and the glue is dry, this elegant Christmas card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas card tutorial and try making this card yourself. Thanks for watching.